You've been using your Kegel weights, and most days are manageable. And some days your body just won't cooperate. Sound familiar? There's many reasons why you might be struggling to use the same vaginal weight some days rather than others. The first reason why this happens is muscular fatigue. So the pelvic floor muscles are muscles just like everywhere else in the body, and they can become fatigable. So the same way if you did a bunch of lunges yesterday and you try to go for a run today and your legs are telling you, I can't do this, your pelvic floor muscles might be telling you that they are fatigued. When this happens, you can go down one weight, or you can take the day off, let your muscles recover, and then start it back up again on the following day. The Intimate Rose Kegel exercise system comes with 6 weights so that you can drop down a level if you're feeling more fatigued and then move back up when you're feeling ready. The next reason is hormonal swings and hormonal changes. It's worth tracking your menstrual cycle if you still have one to see if you notice patterns. It's not uncommon to feel a little bit weaker or a little more sore, just changes in and around the pelvic floor muscles and the vaginal tissue as you approach your menstrual cycle. It's okay to take those days off or just to simply do what you can. The next reason this might happen is due to sleep, stress, or overall exhaustion as a person. Your pelvic floor muscles don't operate in isolation. They're part of you as a whole entire being. So if you've had a stressful day or a stressful week, or you didn't sleep well, or you're just feeling overall exhausted, that will certainly affect how the pelvic floor muscles are able to show up on any given day. So on those days, give yourself a break if you need it, or just simply do what you can. You can always do unweighted Kegels, or to go back one and use a lighter weight, and just resume when your body feels ready again. But above all, give yourself grace and know that bad days don't last. The next reason you might struggle to maintain a weight in is because you've just recently grown in your strength and you progress to a new vaginal weight and your body is adapting as part of the overall strengthening process. So if you've recently moved up a vaginal weight and you start noticing difficulty on some days, just know that it's overall part of the whole program and that will even out as you continue to grow in your strength. Some quick tips that I share with patients are, if you're struggling on a given day, just simply drop back one vaginal weight, or you can do unweighted Kegels instead on a day that you're having a hard time. You can also take the day off entirely and just rest and give yourself grace. And also keep a journal or a diary on your training program and see if you notice any patterns. It might be a product of your schedule and things that are popping up on certain weeks or certain days. And it might be a product of your hormonal schedule and your body's natural systemic cycling. So keeping that data is really helpful to give you an overall picture of what might be going on. Above all, just remind yourself that variability is part of the training process. It's completely normal and you are doing all the right things by showing up. Use some of the tips to make adaptations. And if you're interested in learning more, I've linked the full Intimate Rose Kegel exercise set here, and we have other helpful guides on this channel explaining how to use the vaginal weights and how to make gains towards your goals.